Hey, what's up, guys? Zawad Gaming here, and I'm back with another brand new video. And today's video, we are going to play Don't Press the Button in today's video. So, yeah, guys, let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, something big's gonna happen in the game. Oh my god. Bubble wrap. Oh, let's play this. Oh, so dangerous. Wait. Oh, yay! We survived. Okay. Now let's press the button. What language are these people using? Oh, go push off people. Push off. Yeah, did we win? Oh, damn it. Oh shit, we lost this time. Okay, guys. We are here to only watch the game, okay? See who wins. I'm going to wait. Yep, now let's see. Go to feature. What kind of language is this? One. Okay. Now let's go. Set my camera. Get ready to throw upon a. What to do with this now? Throw ornaments on the tree. With most ornaments put on the tree. Okay, we have to throw this. Okay, let's see. Most ornaments put on the tree. Wait a minute. Okay, time's up. Let's see, guys. Who won? What? Vic Ties won? What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Oh my god, that's Baldi. Oh, I thought it was a player though. Oh god, that's Baldi. See, guys, what's gonna happen. Catch me. Baldi Basic Education and Learning. Okay, come, catch me, come. Whoa, he's gone now. A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before anyone else does, okay? Oh man, this player got the diamond. Oh, falling from the sky. Maintain. Ducks are falling from the sky. Okay. Where is another duck? Oh my god. What to do? Like literally how to play this stuff. 1 point. What the heck? So weird, bro, actually. So weird. I actually can't catch any ducks like that. What the heck? What the hell was that? DK, I couldn't catch any of them. Okay, guys, time to spam. Click the button and get ready. Time to spam. Okay. We have to click this. So let's see what the results are. Fast press 125 times. Wow. Oh. Okay. Who is this player, by the way? Victory Royale. Okay. Spiky Waltzer. Don't touch the spikes. Okay, okay, okay. Holy damn. Shit, man. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay, this time we did. Survived. Ipsa. What? Run away from the tornado. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, 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 Allah, oh, Allah, oh, Allah. Wait, wait, wait. No, 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 no. Oh, god damn it. This is actually fun, by the way. Nah, oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming towards me. Oh, now we survived. We also get chances in the game. Oh, the button is on fire. Quick, get a fire extinguisher. Got it, got it. Holy shit. Oh, damn it. Oh, that was a very big explosion. Oh, shit, my head. Boo, what boo? Boo means shit. Now I'm going to find the correct pad. This one isn't the correct. This one? Holy moly. I didn't find in the current pad yet. This. Oh. Oh, that one. Good. Ah, come on, my luck. It depends. It also don't move into. Don't move. Okay, I'm not moving. Coca-Cola, coche que catera. Now let's see. Survive the lava. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh god. Oh god. Oh! Oh damn it. My jump button was not working. By the way. Now we can only watch the game. No one is there. Then what are we doing? Oxy, what are these people doing? Lol. I think these people turn crazy. Okay, okay. Now time to press. Mary Queen has a sword. Avoid them till the round ends. Okay. I have to avoid this girl. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I have to. Has a sword. Okay, I'm avoiding. Victory Royale. Yay, we won. Dodge the incoming lasers. Okay, boom. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Everybody died. Except this guy. Run away from the tornado. What the hell? Okay, whatever. Now can we run away? Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. It's too dangerous though. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh well, it's gone. I'm happy. Now what's gonna happen? Get ready, fight with. Begin. Is she done? Well, game runs good on my PC, not on my phone, cause it's so laggish. Oh well, that dude is done. Yay! I'm actually winning the game. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, oh my gosh. She is using this tool. She bought this. Oh! Okay, we won. That's great. The game was fun actually. So, yeah, guys, this was it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, wait, after this, I'm gonna end the video here. Surviving this stuff. Oh, damn it. Blah, 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 whatever. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. So yeah guys, this was it for now. Thank you for watching this gaming video. Please like and subscribe, and bye bye.